Hello everyone, welcome to part 2. As I said earlier, today we'll learn how to create a weld map for the water channel box, a dish end type. So, so this is a water channel box with a dish end type and a drain nozzle at the top center and similarly a drain nozzle at the bottom center. So, first we'll see for the top water channel box. So this is a water inlet nozzle and this is a water channel box with a flange. So firstly, the water channel box of addition type is directly welded or it is made from a single piece of a pipe. To join the roll of the pipe, we use a long seam. Similarly, to join the flanges to the water channel box, we use fillet weld and similarly for the stubbing. So this is a basic fundamental. So firstly, to we roll a shell and to join, we use a long seam weld. In previous session, we had seen the numbering. So in continuation to that, we use the same numberings. So this is the long seam weld. Similarly, for the flanges of the water channel box, we use a fillet weld number one to weld the flanges to the water channel box, and fillet number two, we use it to weld the stubbing to the flanges or the water channel box. Similarly, the water inlet nozzle. The water inlet nozzle is the nozzle has been welded to the shell or the water channel box through the fillet weld. Similarly, the nozzle pipe used it is made through a roll or from a plate. So again, to join the roll part, we use the LS weld. The LS weld numbering has been provided. Similarly, the flanges for the nozzle is been welded using the fillet weld. So this is how a water channel box weld map is created. This is the weld map is used for better clarification of the weld seams. Similarly, to check whether there are any fouls during the welding or the assembly line, so that we can reject the future problems at the pre-eliminate stage. And thirdly, it is used for better clarification. Next, we'll just take a review of how the weld seams are being done for the tube sheet. So this is basically a tube sheet which are with a number of holes. So this is an impingement plate. These are the tie rods, or you can say a support pipes to hold the tube sheet and the baffles in an alignment. So in this, there are two types of weld used. One is the fillet weld and another one is the tube welding. So the tube welds are being provided with the tube numberings, or you can say the serial numbers. So the tubes are being welded to the outer surface. Similarly, the impingement plate, as you can see, is welded to the tube sheet through fillet weld. And the sealing strip is also welded as the using fillet weld. So this is the basic fundamental of how a tube sheet has been welded, and similarly the welds can be seen in the baffles. Thank you.